he's the sort of person we want in somebody in the selection committee who can take bold decisions, to experiment with new talent, to realize where old is still gold. And I think that was missing in this team, which is why we've had 4 defeats in a row in the test matches. Our team is pretty good on ODIs and T20s especially because of PSL. But test match cricket seems to have waned in the last 4 years, not least because domestic cricket, which was the main source of test cricketers, because we have a 3-day and a 4-day competitions there, playing, matches being played between 16 teams, the Quaid-e-Azam Trophy and so on. That had been abolished. So I thought Afridi would be the right man. He would agree to give us a green pitch, not a pitch on which you could play for a draw and not be defeated. I think the public wants to see results. They're not so concerned about winning or losing as they are about seeing exciting cricket. And the sort of pitches that the previous selectors and the previous coaches had required of our groundsmen were placid pitches, so that we could play for a draw in the worst case situation. But as you could see, even when we were playing for a draw, we barely managed it in the last test, and whereas in the first 3 tests we were whitewashed, first by the Australians and then by the English. So I think Afridi was on board. He wanted to make some changes and he wanted to play bold and exciting cricket, and I thought, okay, there's a series on, let's have an arrangement with him. He's a very busy man. But he did agree. He said, okay, I'll be the chairman of this selection committee because you need help right now. The public is demanding a different type of cricket, and the existing setup is not giving them that. So that is why we are now going to play not to win or lose, but we're going to play the game in the true spirit of the game.